Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be reviewing Open Secret's Nutty Cookies. So Open Secret is a pretty new company started in 2019. Apart from Nutty Cookies, they also sell nutty chips and spreads. Here I have a box of their assorted cookies which has all the three flavors that they sell: Choco Almond, White Choco Cashew and Peanut Butter. You can also get a box which has any one of the flavors. So each box here would cost you 105 rupees, weighs 75 grams and has 6 cookies. So the cost of each cookie comes up to 17.5 rupees, which is definitely more than your regular packed cookies. However, these cookies do not contain maida, have lots of nuts, making them a much healthier option. So now without further ado, I am going to start the taste test. So it comes up with a thank you card. It has 6 cookies, 2 of each. I'm going to start with the Choco Almond one first. So this is the size of each cookie. So the sweetness is moderate, not too sweet, has a nice chocolatey taste, has lots of almonds, but I feel that it does not have a very cookie kind of a feel. It's like your Choco Almond brittle or chicky, or even I would say like a granola bar kind of a thing, but obviously not with oats or granola, but with nuts and chocolate. So now coming to the White Choco Cashew cookie. Again, this is how it looks. So it's soft, it's not very stiff, it's chewy. Again, not too sweet, has a nice white chocolate and cashew taste. So the flavors are there, but it's not like a traditional cookie. It's like a brittle or a traditional chicky. Coming to the peanut butter one now. This is how it looks. Again, it's chewy. It has a really nice taste. I think along with peanut butter, a little bit of cocoa is also there. And I can also see some crisps here. So again, the taste is really nice. So overall, I think if you're having this product, like having a traditional cookie in your mind, then you might be disappointed. But if you like something that is chewy, if you like chickies, if you like brittles, this is a good product for you. Also, if you're ready to splurge a bit for your health, this is definitely a very good snacking option because the flavors are definitely on point. Sweetness is moderate, and with the kind of packing that it has, it is very handy while traveling something, and it also helps with portion control. So guys, that was my review of Open Secret's Nutty Cookies. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know if you want me to review something else, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.